Hey everyone, welcome back to Alex on America. Today, we're diving into one of the funniest, most confusing, and surprisingly fascinating parts of American culture: slang. Yep, those weird and wonderful words and phrases that make you stop and think, what on earth does that mean? Whether you're trying to make sense of phrases like spill the tea or ride shotgun, or you just want to know why Americans say you all or pop, I've got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll be fluent in American slang, or at least you'll be able to survive a conversation without Googling every other word. So, grab your favorite drink, maybe just crash on the couch, and let's break down the words and phrases that make American English so unique. Oh, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, because this video is about to get lit. No cap. D-Day. Most people know this term from World War II, but nowadays it's a slang for any big life-changing event. For example, tomorrow's my D-Day. My rent is due, but my bank account is looking grim. A big moment. Salty. This one's about attitude. If someone's salty, they're feeling better or upset about something. Like, he's still salty because I roasted him in our friends group yesterday. Goat. Alright, next up is a term you probably heard everywhere, from sports commentary to TikTok trends. Goat. No, we're not talking about the farm animal. GOAT stands for greatest of all time. Think Michael Jordan, Serena Williams, or Beyonce. For example, this performance was fire. She's the GOAT of pop music. Is the ultimate compliment. Spill the tea. This one's for all your gossip lovers out there. Spill the tea. It's a dramatic way of saying, tell me the juicy details. Like when your friend says, you'll never guess what happened at work today. And you reply, okay, spill the tea. Bonus points if you're actually sipping tea while you say it. Y'all. Now, let's get to the South with y'all. It's a short for you all, and a staple for Southern hospitality. It's used in everything from casual conversations to heartfelt speeches. Like, y'all coming to the barbecue this weekend. It's a friendly, inclusive, and just so American. Wicked. Let's talk about wicked, a word you'll hear a lot in New England. It's their way of saying super or very. For example, that movie was wicked funny. It's like the Northeast secret spice for making a point extra strong. Hella is a Northern California staple. It's their go-to word for a lot or very. Like, this burger is hella good, or there are hella people at the beach today. It's simple, it's expressive, and it's practically a NorCal anthem. Crash. No, not the kind of crash that involves cars. It's about sleep or showing up uninvited. Like, after the party, I'm just gonna crash at my friend's place. Or, did you see them crash their bedding? Bold move. Either way, it's all about making an unexpected landing. Hangry. Hangry is the perfect blend of hungry and angry. It's that mood you get into when you're starving and suddenly everything starts to annoy you. Like, sorry for snapping earlier, I was totally hangry. But don't worry, I've got my fries now. It's relatable, right? This one's for all the social butterflies and heartbreak survivors. Ghost. It's when someone suddenly cuts off all the communication without explanation. Like, I thought we were getting along, but then he totally ghosted me. It's a move that leaves you scratching your head and asking, what just happened? DM. Sliding into someone's DMs. A slang goal for digital age. It stands for direct message, and it's how people privately chat on social media platforms. For example, he slid into my DMs to ask about my favorite coffee spot. It can be friendly, flirty, or just plain awkward. It's all about context. Throwdown. To throw down usually means getting into a fight or intense confrontation. For example, when they insulted his team, he was ready to throw down. It's got that edge, whether it's about defending honor or just a heated moment. Carpooling is when people share a ride to save money, time, or the planet. For example, we carpool to work every day to save on gas. It's a practical term, but also a little throwback to when it was trendy in the 90s. Hit the road. Hit the road means to leave or start a journey. For instance, we're hitting the road early tomorrow for a road trip. It's a fun way to say goodbye and get moving. Holy cow.
Holy cow!
Holy cow is an expression of surprise or amazement. For example, holy cow, did you see that game-winning shot? It's one of those phrases that's perfect for moments when you're blown away, but still keeping it PG. Throw in the towel. This one comes from boxing and it means to give up or admit defeat. For example, after hours of trying to fix my Wi-Fi, I finally threw in the towel and called tech support. It's a dramatic but relatable way of saying, I'm done. Drip. Drip is all about having a killer outfit or looking super fashionable. For instance, check out his drip. Those shoes are fire. It's modern, it's cool, and it's all about showing off your swag. Swag is all about confidence, style, and charisma. It's how you carry yourself and how cool you look. For example, he's got so much swag when he walks into a room. Whether it's about clothes, attitude, or presence, swag is always on point. Pop. In some parts of the US, pop isn't just a sound, it's what people call soda. For instance, can you grab me a pop from the fridge? It's a Midwest favorite, but it's also a fun word that confuses anyone who calls it soda. Bet. Bet is a modern way of saying sure, okay, or even I agree. It's super versatile. For example, you want to grab lunch later? Bet. It's quick, confident, and straight to the point. Now, let's dive into cap and no cap.
And 18 to 49-year-old women are super important demo for us. No cap.
What?
No cap.
What does that mean?
It's what all of my fellow Gen Zers say.
This one's all about honesty. If someone says, that's cap, they mean it's a lie or exaggeration. For example, he said he could dunk on LeBron. That's cap. On the flip side, no cap means you're telling the truth. Like, this pizza is the best I've ever had. No cap. It's simple, but it packs a punch in today's slang game. Riz. Let's talk about Riz. The new slang taking the internet by storm. It's short for charisma. It's all about someone's ability to charm or flirt successfully. For example, he's got serious Riz. He walked into a room and had everyone's attention. If you're smooth and confident, people might even say you got W Riz. That's a wrap on today's slang breakdown. Did we miss your favorite term? Or do you have a funny story about using or misusing one of these? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who could use a crash course in American slang, and hit that subscribe button for more fun things and all things America. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep your wrist strong. Don't ghost on me now. See you next time.